as Australia gears up for the arrival of the 2025 Kia Tasman Ute. Excitement about a high-performance, twin-turbo petrol V6 version akin to the Ford Ranger Raptor is fading. This shift is largely due to stringent upcoming CO2 emission standards and the practical realities of the market. The Hyundai Motor Group boasts a robust lineup of twin-turbocharged petrol V6 engines, including the retired Kia Stinger's 3.3-litre engine. Despite the appeal of such a powerhouse in the Tasman, Australia's new vehicle efficiency standard, NVES, set to take effect next year, poses a significant hurdle. Under these new regulations, manufacturers will face hefty fines for exceeding emissions targets unless they offset them by selling low or zero-emission vehicles. When asked about the potential for a V6-powered Tasman, Kia Australia CEO Damien Meredith responded, "Not yet," to make it succinct. Adding to this, Roland Rivero, Kia Australia's General Manager of Product and Training, highlighted the complexities involved. It may not work well when the emissions penalties for that one product, which could be less than 20% of the mix, are substantial. We've got to balance the necessities with the desires and wants, he explained. The envisioned high-performance Tasman, illustrated by Drive's graphic artist Theotl, features a sporty look that could rival the Ranger Raptor. However, the reality is that the Tasman is more likely to debut with a 2.2-litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine, aligning with market demands for efficiency and compliance with emission standards. This engine is expected to deliver performance comparable to competitors like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux. The Hyundai Motor Group's available turbo-diesel 6-cylinder engines, a 3.0-litre V6 and a 3.0-litre inline-6, are being phased out, making them unlikely candidates for the Tasman. With the brand's shift towards electrification, significant investment in new internal combustion engines is unlikely. Kia Australia aims to capture the dual-cab ute market by meeting essential benchmarks: a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, 3.5-ton towing capacity, and over a ton payload. "We have to get the fundamentals right with our first pickup," Rivero emphasized. Named after the Tasman Sea and Tasmania, the Kia Tasman has been significantly influenced by Australian development work. As Kia prepares to compete with top-selling UTs like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux, the focus remains on practical, efficient solutions rather than high-emissions, high-performance variants.